retirement works in Kenya. And I want us to look at the bigger picture. Retirement in Kenya is not automatic wealth. People confuse by the fact that they are going to retire or they have retired, they will become wealthy. That is wrong. Retirement depends on what you individually contributed during your working years. And under this, I want us to look at three main pillars of retirement in Kenya. Three, not two. Pillar number one, we have got mandatory saving through NSSF. Pillar number two, we have got employer-sponsored pension schemes. And pillar number three, we have personal retirement investments. Those are the three pillars. If you don't build from these three pillars, retirement becomes financially stressful in your retirement age. In Kenya, currently, the typical retirement age varies. 60 years for the public sector, 50 to 60 years for those who like to call it early retirement, though it can go down up to 40 or even sometimes 30. Then we have got 65 years in some private contracts.